Hello and welcome back to the Quick Start for Bounce Factory series. In the previous video, we took a snapshot with a bunch of mix passes, which are listed here, and in another video I'll show you how to navigate this list if it gets really big. But we've got our main mix, we've got some mix variants, and we've got some stems. And let's say now we want to print them. There are three ways you can print mixes using Bounce Factory, and they all work on whatever is in this list, and the three ways to do it are down here. You can either bounce selected, which is just go ahead and select using the normal command or shift to select ranges of snapshots or to select individual snapshots, and then click bounce selected. That's it. Pretty simple. You can also say bounce session. Now, bounce session will look at what you have selected in the list, and it will also look at the open session. And if those are two different sessions, it'll ask you, well, hey, which session did you mean? In this case, we have the same session open as the snapshots that are taken. So if I click bounce session, it would bounce all of the snapshots for this session, no matter what I have selected in the list. And then bounce all will bounce everything in the list. And in this case, it's the same as bounce session because all of these are from one session, but you could easily have a whole album's worth of mix passes saved into the app and then just say, I need to print this particular song because it's been approved and the others haven't, or it's a priority. So those are the ways you can do it. And all you have to do, let's say we're going to bounce this session, click bounce session, and then you decide, well, do you want to keep the snapshots or delete them? You can delete them as they bounce. Generally, I keep them. One of the reasons is, and I'll explain how to do this in another video, you can actually export them from the app, and then if they need to do recall for something, you can load up all of the MixPass information that you took before and just reprint without having to recreate everything. So in this case, I'll click Keep Snapshots, and Bounce Factory will start bouncing.